Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Research Wizard to quickly find the best place to start your research. The Research Wizard was designed by one of our BC librarians, and the Research Wizard doesn't search for articles themselves, but instead it will help choose the right database or resource based on your topic and the types of sources that you need. So I'll show you how it all works. First, to access the Research Wizard, you need to go to the library's homepage. So from the BC homepage, click Services and Resources, scroll down and click Library, scroll down and click Research, and then you can access the Research Wizard through the Find All of Our Databases with A to Z Databases link. To access the Research Wizard, scroll down until you come to the Helpful Links box on the right side of the screen. And the BC Library Research Wizard will be the first option here currently. So once you click that, it will take you to the Research Wizard. I always make it bigger because it's a little bit easier to navigate. But as you can see here, first you'll choose a type of source that you're looking for. For example, if your assignment requires peer-reviewed articles, you would select scholarly sources. So I'll show you what that looks like here. Click that. And if you know that you are looking for books and ebooks, which is when you are trying to find just general background information, or your topic is somewhat broad, or you're doing historical research over a long period of time, books and ebooks are going to be a great place to start. Or peer-reviewed journal articles, also known as scholarly articles, will most likely be required by your professor as well. But depending on what you need, you would just choose your option. So I just click the peer-reviewed articles. And now we want to decide what our subject is. So let's say we're writing in the arts. We would click here. And let's say we want to find something for our communication or English class. And we're not necessarily writing on an author, so we're going to hit no. And is it for a speech? Sure, let's say yeah, we're looking for sources for a speech. And we have some tips here, as you can see. We have Gale ebooks for informative speeches, for persuasive speeches. We have the opposing viewpoints in context or college in context databases, a little bit of description, and then also we have Statista if you want to find statistics related to your topic as well. And so if you wanted to access the databases, you would just click where it leads you to, and you'll be taken directly to the database. So from there, you would start your search inside the database using your keywords or topic or your ideas. So remember that the Research Wizard won't find specific articles for you, but it will point you to the databases that will be the best places to start looking for your sources. And just to show you more of the Research Wizard again, I'm going to show you just primary sources here. Depending on if you're new to research or if you have somewhat of a background with researching, the results will be different. But let's just say you're somewhat familiar with researching and you want to write about world history. Again, we have a database here. And if we want a little bit more information, we can click the Ponder the Orb for Increased Wisdom little box here, and we can get some search tips. So So each page will have a specially curated little extra tidbits of information there, so always check those out. And if you are looking for a mixture of books, ebooks, a lot of different kinds of resources, generally you can start looking through the discipline, or you can just start using OneSearch. And again, if you're really not sure, you can hit virtually to be taken to our lib chat and talk with a librarian in real time, and they will help you with your issues if you have any additional questions. So remember, the Research Wizard is a starting point, helps you find the right place to search and begin your research, but you will still need to search within the databases to find your specific sources. If you have any questions about navigating the Research Wizard or finding other sources outside of this, do not hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We are here to help.